Hi friends, welcome back to my session, and in this session we are going to discuss about the repos. So what is repos, where we are going to use this repos, everything we are going to discuss in the detailed manner in this session. Okay, generally repos stands for repositories. Repositories are used to store the code. Okay, and so what are the different options available in the repos? Everything we are discussed in the detailed manner. So before going to discuss about the repos in the Azure DevOps, what we are going to discuss about Git. So what is Git? Git stands for Global Information Tracker. Okay, what is Git? Just type the Git. Git stands for Global Information Tracker. It is a version control system, means it has maintained the multiple versions of the same file. Okay, and it will be used as a source code management tool. Because so if developer has developed the code, then if I want to manage that code, and at the same time if I want to store that code, I need the source code management tool. So Git is the one of the source code management tool available in the market. Many of the companies has preferred the Git to store and manage their code. Even though we have different types of version control systems are available in the market, but out of those Git is the one of the uh, important source code management tool where major of the companies are using for their source code management. Okay, and in market we have SVN, CVS, have different types of like Stash, Bitbucket, different types of source code management tools are available in the market. But out of those, we are going to use Git. In this lab purpose also, I am going to use the Git. So first of all, I need to install the Git on my local repository. In this, we have the two things. First one is Git, and the second one is what? Second one is what? GitHub. Git is a local repository, and GitHub is a centralized repository. Okay. First of all, I need to download Git SCM download for Windows. Okay. Just click on Windows. It will automatically read it to this place. As I'm using 64-bit, so that's why it is just going to download. But as I already had downloaded this file, just go to downloads. Okay, and double click on it. So once double click on it, it will be downloaded. Okay, and if you see, both are same files. Okay, I'm going to open the file. It is just simply opening the file, and I need to install the Git SCM on my local machine. Just click on next, 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 next. Okay, next, next. Use Windows default console. Okay, next, 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 next. So it will take some time to get it installed on our local machine. Once it has been successfully installed on our machine, I will let you know the further things. Okay. In the meanwhile, we are going to discuss about the stages. So what are the different stages available in the Git? The first one is working directory, and the second one is staging area, and the third stage is Git commit. So whenever there is a whatever the code is there in the which where we are working, it will be called as a working directory. In that working directory, no code will be tracked. But in the staging area, once we done git add, then it will be comes into the tracking mode. The file will be tracked. So once the file has been tracked, the next step is we need to save the code. In Git terminology, we are using git commit. Git commit is used to save the code. Okay, and before going that, once the Git SCM has been successfully installed on our local machine, what we need to done, we need to create one local repository for the Git. So how to create the local repository for the Git, and how the options will be used, and how the basic commands we are going to use, each and everything we are going to discuss in a detailed manner in this session. Okay, just we have successfully completed. Just click on finish. Okay, just close the task and open the Git. Just type Git SCM. So if it is not used, just Git bash. Fine. The Git bash has been successfully installed, and I am going to open. Okay, right now, as I have any empty repository there, suppose if you want to check ls-al, just check there is no .git repository. As I already have it, yes, previously I had created, so that's why it is showing. No worries. Just if you want to initiate the repository, git init dot means current repository. Initialized empty git repository. The empty git repository has been initialized. Okay. Here I had make some of the basic commands which we are going in a regular basis. Just please have a look on it. As I already have installed the git on my local machine. Suppose if it is already installed, if I want to check the version of the git which I had been installed on my local machine, this is the command git space --- version. Just please have a look. If I enter this command, this is the version. This is a 2.46.1. It is the version which has been successfully installed on my local machine. Okay, and okay, and at the same time, if you want to check git branch, did I have any branches? No. Up to initial commit has been successfully done. It will not create any branch. Okay. So first of all, the empty repository has been created. Okay. Is the empty repository has been created or not? Yes, it has been created. Fine. Then what the next step? I am going to create one dummy file. Okay. What the dummy file? Touch hello.py. Okay. This is the dummy file I am going to create. Okay. The file has been created. Just open the file. If you want open any file, cat is the command. Hello.py. Is there any content? No. I just need to enter some content. Pi hello. Okay. I'm just entering into the editing mode. If you want to type anything in the line next, you just need to insert mode. You just need to go to the insert mode. Just press I. Then insert mode will be started. This is Python program. Okay, this is Python program. Just click escape, then you will come out of insert mode. Just semicolon WQ in order to quit and save the file. If you open the file right now, hello, the same content will be displayed. This is Python program. Okay, hope you guys got the point. Fine, we had successfully created the file and it is in current working directory. So if I move to the staging area, what I need to do? Git add hello py. So it will move into the staging directory. Suppose if I want to check, is it in tracked mode or not? What I need to do? Git status. So just have a look. In the green color, it is showing it is a tracked file. Changes to be committed. New file. No commit set. Because up to now I didn't do any commits. So that's why it is showing. If it is showing green color means it is a tracked file. Okay, up to now I didn't have any commits right now. This is my first commit. So if I want to commit the code, what I need to do? Git commit -m -m for stands for message of the day. First commit. Okay. What I need to do? Which hello, I am going to commit this file. Okay. Thus it has been successfully committed. If I want to check whether it has been committed or not, just type git log. Okay, no. So it is asking why. Please tell me who you are. So it is asking you without the username and without the user email ID, it won't be able to commit the code. So that's why first of all, I need to set the username and password. And this is the thing. Okay. Suppose as I already makes in the comment, okay, git config like Okay, I will make like this. No. So simply copy the thing which I had been entered. So git config -hyphen global user.name Sunil. As my name is Sunil, I am going to set the username as Sunil. Enter. It has been setted. So at the same time, I just want to set the email ID as well. Okay, fine. Git config -hyphen global user.email. My email ID has been provided. Just enter. The email ID has been setted. Okay. Right now, if I want to check whether it has been done or not, this is the command. Git config -hyphen global user.name. Just check whether it has been, as it's showing Sunil, means the user is Sunil because of I had configured the username as Sunil. And if I want to check whether the email ID has been successfully updated or not, just you can simply just no, you just need to copy here and paste here. Okay, is it showing? Is it showing my email ID? Means the email ID has been successfully updated. The username has been successfully updated. The user email ID has been already successfully updated. Okay, fine. Both are fine for me. Then the next thing I do know? Git git commit -m uh, first commit hello.py. So right now it will be committed. So if you want to check git log. So who is the other? The author is Sunil and he has the email ID devtester928. He is only the committing the file on which date he so and so date has been committed the file, and the comment is first commit. It is the first commit. Okay, and if you want to check right now, it is which branch it is in. Git branch. It is in master branch. Okay, by default the master branch will be created once you commit any file. By default the master branch will be created. So suppose if you want to create any other branch, any branch other than master, is it possible? Yes, obviously it is possible to create multiple branches other than master branches. Master branch is the default branch which has been created defaultly. Okay, fine. If you want to check right now, it is you are in master branch. You want to check how many files are there in the master branch. So this is the command where I will show to you. Git ls-files. So you just need to enter this command. Yeah, in master branch I have only one file, hello.py file. Okay, just please have a look on this. So right now I am going to teach you step by step. Right now the empty repository has been initiated. Then as I already created one file, the .py file, and I already edited the file either using gedit. Okay, either using gedit or vi editor, we can edit the file, and it has been successfully staged and it has been successfully committed. And as I already checked the git log, it has been successfully committed. Okay, if you want to untrack the file again for the committed files, you are using this command git rm cached file name. Okay, suppose I am going to use the same as it is already committed now. Suppose if you want to check git status, you will not find any tracked file because of the tracked files have been already committed. So that's why it is not showing here. Okay, right now I am entering this command. Okay, git rm -fn. Okay, sorry. File name is here nothing but hello. Yes. Fine. The hello file has been untracked. Means if right now it will be able to show in the Git status. Is it showing in the green color in the? Yes, it is showing. Again, I need to push the code. Git commit -m second commit. The file name is hello. Just press the tab. Automatically it will come. Okay. Git log. Because of it is untracked file as it is not required. So that's why the first committed has been successful. Okay. Fine. So one more thing, we just need to understand Git log. If I want to check whether, suppose in this file only, uh, I'm going to make some, okay, vi hello.py. So this is the paragraph. Okay, insert mode. I am going to enter for second the same file. I'm going to say I am going to do some modification for second commit purpose. Okay, just press escape semicolon double q and git add hello.py. Okay, okay, git commit hello.py. Fine. Because of there is some changes in the file, so that's why it has been taken. Suppose if you file git log, then it will show two commits. The first commit has been done and the second commit has been done. Okay, done. These are the difference. Okay, right now for the same file I had do the two commits. Before modification first commit is there, after modification second commit is there. If you have a look on this, suppose if you want to check to see only commit ID and messages, just copy the command git log --- one line. Just copy properly, enter. So these things has been visible now. This is the commit ID for the second commit. This is the commit ID for the first commit. If you want to see like that. So, and at the same time, how many branches we have? There are by default master branch is there. If you want to check git branch, right now it is master branch. Suppose if you want to create another branch, git branch name branch 1. So the branch 1 will be created. If you type again git branch, it is showing two branches. Out of two branches, right now you are in the master branch. Suppose if you want to check out to the, if you want to enter into the branch 1, how it will be done? Git branch, git checkout, sorry, git checkout branch 1. So you will be switched to the branch 1. Suppose if you want to check the files, how many files are there? So how to check it? Git ls-files. Okay, you just need to copy the command. Right now I am in which branch? Right now I'm in which branch? Branch 1. But the branch 1 has been created with the reference of master branch. So that's why whatever the content which is available in the master branch, that will be available in the branch 1 as well. So that's why the hello.py program means the file which is showing in the branch 1 as well. So in the branch 1, I'm going to create some of the files, touch recharge files. I'm going to create recharge files. 1 to 5. So I am going to create the 5 files. Okay. Suppose if I type ls-al, so the files are showing na recharge 1, recharge 2, recharge 3, recharge 4, recharge 5. At the same time, if you want to check uh, git, no, so it is not at all added na, so that's why it is not showing. Git add or star means whatever the content which is available there, it will be added. So okay, git commit -m message of the day, third commit, okay, third commit or star. Okay, right now if you enter the same command, you will be able to see the 6 files. The 5 files has been successfully added. Suppose if you want to merge the code into the master branch, so if you want to check out again, if you want to check out to the master branch, git checkout master, you will be switched to the master branch. Then in this master branch you want to merge now, just type git merge branch 1. Okay, so right now earlier in master branch it is showing only one file, but right now which branch you are? Git branch, just type git branch, in which branch you are? Master. So files, if you want to check the files, total how many files you will be able to see? 6 files. Earlier in master branch only one file. After merging the branch 1 with master file, you will be able to see the 6 files in this content. Okay, fine, just have a look on it. And I had been successfully in master branch, I have successfully 6 files are there. Okay, and it is the local repository. So is companies are going to encourage to save the code on the local machines of the any employee? No, I just want to create one centralized repository like GitHub. So whoever the written the code, they are going to push the code into the centralized repository where the company will have the access to manage the code through centralized repository, that is GitHub. So for that, we will go into the GitHub account. Okay. Yeah. Just type GitHub, click on it. So will you be able to see sign up? If you have account, you can simply log in on. Otherwise, just create an account. devtester928@gmail.com. devtester928@gmail.com. Continue. As I am setting some password. Okay. Fine. Username Sunil. Continue. Username Sunil is not available. Okay. Dev tester. I give as a dev tester. Username dev, enter the username dev tester. User dev tester is not available. Dev tester from which? Okay. I think repeated name will not be accepted. Dev tester 123 is not available. 1234. Okay, dev tester 1234 is allowed because of it is not coinciding with the other username which has been already created in this GitHub repositories. Okay, dev tester 1234. Just please have remember. Okay, email preference receive occasional port updates and announcement. Okay, అవసరం లేదు. We don't have any requirement. Just it is going to verify my account. Just I think it will send some OTP based to my email account. That is nothing but dev tester 928. Just just a moment. Wait for some time. I'm going to create the same. So verify your account. Okay. Continue. Continue. Create account. Okay, fine. I need to mention this direction two words. Okay, submit, one done, and okay, then okay, submit. Yeah, I am going to verify my account, and it has been sent one code to my email ID. I just need to enter the same as I already got it. Oh my God, 367 32176. Okay, I hope the account has been successfully completed. Username devtester1234. Okay, the password as I already know. Okay. Uh, Not available as I am teacher. Okay, student. Like I can mention like a student. Just me submit. Start a new project. Contribute to. Okay, start a new project. Continue. So I am looking for the pre-purpose only because of it is as it is used for the lab purpose. So that's why I just had been selected. So okay. Finally, I successfully had logged into the GitHub repository. So if I want to create any repository, I'm going to create the public repository. Just create a new repository. Okay. It will create some repositories. Suppose whatever the repository which has been created, you will be able to see here. Uh, okay, jump right, new project, create repository. Repository name repo1. Okay, repo1 is available. For which purpose we are going to create? For lab purpose. Okay, public or private? Public. If you want to add any readme file, just click on here, then create repository. One empty readme file will be added. So right now, repo1 has been created successfully and fine. Code. Yeah, fine. SSH90. It is not SSH, just use the SSH. Suppose this is the centralized repository. Based on the permissions, the users will be able to log on in this page. Okay. Suppose if I want to push the code from a local repository to this centralized hub repository, what I need to done is, so where I had successfully, where my code is in my local machine, in the master branch, I have the code. Okay. What I need to push all this code into the centralized hub. What I will do, I am going to create link between my local repository to the centralized repository. Okay. Yeah. Okay. As it is not properly copied, so that's why it is showing like this. No worries. So link is nothing but here it is the link. This is the repository now where we are trying to push the code into this repository. So okay, the link has been successfully created. So what the next step I need to done? Git push origin master, because of here it is the master branch only. So that's why. Okay. It is asking for username and password. So just wait for a minute. It will ask that. In the meanwhile, what I need to done is I need to go to the project settings where it is settings. I need to go to the settings. I will tell you the path. Settings. In the settings, where we need to go? Developer settings. Personal access tokens. Classic. Generate new token. So repo 1 token, 30 days expiration policy. Okay. Repo workflow, white packages, delete packages. So I need to here add the permission. So whatever the permissions which are required, you can add those permissions and write discussion. So everything. So generate token. So that token has been generated. So just copy the token. You just need to paste somewhere where it will be available to you. So this token will expire for every 30 days. You can set like it will never expire. Okay. And if you go here, it is still loading. Okay. Okay. It is taking time. Control C, Control Z. Okay. Git push origin master. Why it is showing like that? This is the command where we are going to push. Sign in with your browser or sign in with your code. Sign in with your browser. Okay. Authentication succeeded. So if the authentication has been successfully completed, so you can check in this where in the GitHub repository, just go home and you have the repo 1. Just open the repo 1. So you have the two branches. Earlier you have only one branch. Okay, just go back and by the in GitHub the default branch is main branch, but coming to Git it is master. So just as I push the master branch now, so that's why. Are you able to see? Are you able to see these 6 files? If you open the file hello.py file, this is a Python program for second commit purpose. Okay. Whatever the code which I had been committed in my local machine in the Git, I had been successfully pushed that code into this centralized repository. Okay. This is the thing which I want to show to you. And at the same time, just if you want to have a clear understanding, git clone, and you just need to understand some of the words. Git clone and git fork to get repositories of others into our repository is nothing but git fork. Okay. Git clone, git clone is nothing but the same, means same file on the repository. If I want to be same file in my local machine, then I need to clone that file. Because of like that, if I have the code on my central repository, if I want to replicate the same code in my local machine, that at that time I am going to use the git clone. Git clone is nothing but the same file. Git fork is nothing but getting the codes of others into my repository. Okay, these are the things which we need to understand. And with this, I hope you guys have a clearful understanding about the Git, what is Git, where we are going to use the Git, and what are the basic commands which we are going to use the Git, each and everything. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the session. Thanks for joining the session. We will meet up in the next session with a new topic. Thank you for joining the session. Bye bye. Thank you. Signing off.